In the tumultuous times of Imam Hasan bin Ali, an overwhelming loneliness gripped his noble heart as those around him, even his trusted generals, betrayed him one after another. Imam Hasan, known for his wisdom and piety, faced a heartbreaking betrayal. Some of his own generals, motivated by greed, abandoned their sacred oath for material gain. These once loyal commanders not only left his side but also conspired against him, turning their backs on the rightful leader. To add to his anguish, some within his own army began to loot his camps, driven by self-interest and disregard for the values he held dear. Despite this crushing betrayal from both generals and soldiers, Imam Hasan remained resolute. His unwavering faith and commitment to justice guided him through these harrowing times. Imam Hasan's lonely and painful struggle serves as a poignant reminder that, even when abandoned and betrayed, one can find strength in their principles and faith.